Imagine a medieval battlefield. Knights in shining armor charging with shields, swords, and laser beams slicing through the air. Could such a blend of history and science fiction have been possible? Let's find out. The medieval era, a time of castles, kingdoms, and epic battles, relied on swords and catapults. But what if advanced technology, like laser weapons or AI-powered tools, had existed back then? Could it have reshaped history? Bringing futuristic tools to the Middle Ages, Fahad, isn't as simple as handing knights laser swords. The physics of lasers needs advanced knowledge, electricity, and power sources. And medieval metallurgy? Not exactly cut out for energy weapons. Even so, imagine the impact. Wars fought not with swords, but with precision laser beams. Knights wearing robotic exoskeletons turned them into human tanks. Castles equipped with energy shields instead of stone walls. It's fascinating, but here's the problem. Medieval societies were steeped in feudal traditions. Could such advancements even fit into their worldview? Let's assume these technologies somehow existed. Laser swords. Knights would need special training, mastering techniques more complex than fencing. But the devastation? Unparalleled. AI and automation. Serfs replaced by robotic farmers. Could this end feudalism and create a more equal society? Or spark rebellion among displaced workers? Flying machines. With drones scouting battlefields, medieval strategies would flip overnight. Technology could accelerate innovation, or concentrate power into the hands of kings, making tyrannies harder to topple. The most intriguing twist? With advanced tools, the Renaissance might arrive centuries early. Imagine Leonardo da Vinci designing space-age machines instead of sketches and notebooks. But this leap forward might come at a cost. What happens when societies advance technologically, but not ethically? Could medieval knights have wielded laser swords? Maybe. But the real question is whether humanity was ready for such power back then. Technology isn't just about tools, it's about the people using them. What do you think? Could advanced technology in the Middle Ages have led to utopia or chaos? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to explore more what-if adventures on our channel.